Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at how you can trade volatility 75. How to trade volatility 75 on the 5-minute time frame. I have V75 on my chart, 5 minutes time frame, and I have just 4 windows. Okay, I have the main window. This is my main window. This is my main window. I have indicator window 1. This is indicator window 1, indicator window 2. This is indicator window 2 and indicator window 3. This is indicator window 3. Now the way the strategy works on the main window, alright, is when price cross down on the moving averages that I have here. Price cross down on it, then I'll allow 3 bullish candles to form below it before I enter my trade. Like I have 1, 2, 3. This is a top bullish candle. Then I can enter my trade anywhere around here. I can sell from there. Okay, that will be my. This will be my entry. This red line will be my entry point, and my stop loss will be above the candle that laps on the 3 moving averages. This is the candle that laps on the 3 moving averages. Talking about this candle, this bearish candle. All right. Or for this example, this candle here laps on the 3 moving averages. Okay. For me to have a bearish signal, but the confirmation is when 3 more candles form below. Like I have 1, 2, 3. This is the 3rd candle forming below this particular one that touches the 3 moving averages. Okay, so I will enter my sell around here. All right, enter my sell around here. Then my stop loss will either be above the candle that has wick touching the 3 moving averages or above the candle that laps across the 3 moving averages. So that's how I will enter my sell trade. For buy trade, just the same. Like I have the candle lapping here. Let me remove the object. Okay, I have a bullish candle lapping on the 3 moving averages around here. So this is my buy signal. And now I have another candle touching. All right. So I'll just count 3 candles above. 1, 2, 3. So I'll place my buy trade somewhere around here. Okay. It's going to be my buy signals around here. So I expect price to buy. And then my stop loss will either be below the last candle touching before we have bullish development, or below the candle that is lapping across the moving averages. All right, what about the take profit? Take profit will be the measurement, okay, from here to here to the entry. So I'll just get my measurement above my entry to get my take profit. That's for a buy situation. Then for sell situation, if my entry is around here and my stop loss is over there, I'll just measure the height. Okay, my take profit will be somewhere around here. Okay, so my take profit will be around this place. All right, so that's basically how to use the strategy on the main chart. Then for indicator window 1, when the red line cross the 0 level, that's your sell signal, and it cross above 0 level, buy signal. When it cross below, sell signal. And when it cross above, buy. All right, when it cross below, sell signal. So that's how to use the indicator window 1. For indicator window 2, when the awesome oscillator bars forms and crosses the zero level, we have sell. Crosses above the zero level, buy. Okay, and crosses below, sell. Okay, for indicator window 2, when the red line crosses above the 25-26 level, buy. Okay, and also cross, like you have above the 37 level, buy. Then when it crosses above the 47 level, buy. Also for sell, when it crosses here, sell. Okay, so the essence of this indicator window is just for you to know that when the red line is below all the levels, like you have it below all the levels, you have range, but by the time it starts to cross the levels above, you can either buy or sell. Okay, you can either buy or sell. Then when it crosses down the level, also either buy or sell. Okay, but this particular reverse crossing of the red line will not be a reverse of whatever you have done on this side. If you have been buying on this side, by the time you start to turn down on the for 7, 37 and 26 levels, then you start to do the opposite of what you did when the line was crossing up. You do the opposite of what you did when the line is crossing up. So like at the time the line is crossing up here, we were selling. Right, starts to cross down, start to buy. So that's basically how to use the indicator window 3. All right, now the blue line on indicator window 3, talking about this blue line, just to tell us the overall bias. If it's going down, okay, like if we scroll back into history, let me delete all the objects. If we scroll back into history, okay, this is history. Okay, as the blue line goes up, price goes up. Okay, as it goes up, price goes up. As it starts to climb up, price goes up. So when it comes down, let's look for where it starts to come down. Okay, like it starts to come down here. The blue line starts to come down around here, and you can see what's happening on the main charts. Price is also coming down. Okay, come down like a downtrend. This is telling us we have, like, here is where you have trend change. All right, so it starts to go down, and you know you're in a downtrend. All right, downtrend, and you can see what's going on. Downtrend. So that's that for the strategy. Is a very good strategy. Let's look at settings. Okay, we have main chart. We have 3 moving averages. We have 21 period. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to close. Color is red. And the second moving average, 23 period. Exponential. Apply to close. Color is navy blue. Then 22 period, exponential, close. Color is purple. Then the indicator window 1, MACD. Let's look at settings. 12, 26, 9. Apply to close. Now the color will match the background of the chart. Background color of the chart. Then we have 0 level. Color is black. Apart from MACD, we have moving average 1 period. Shift is -3. Method is simple. Apply to first indicator theta. Color is red. Then indicator window 2, we have awesome oscillator. The value up is green, value down is red, and the level is 0. Then indicator window 3, we have average directional movement index. Period is 14. Style color is red. Okay, the plus D and minus D color will match the background of the charts. Then let's look at the levels of the ADX. We have 26, 25, 45, 47, 36, 35, and the color is black. Take it again: 26, 25, 45, 47, 36, and 37. Color is black. Then we have moving average on indicator window 3, 300 period, linear weight, apply to weighted close. Color is navy blue. So that is the parameters for the settings. That's all about the strategy. Is a good strategy. This 5-minute time frame, you can use it on any time frame, but make sure you follow the rules. Follow the rules and principles of this strategy. So don't forget, when you have a cross, like we have a cross around here, okay, wait for 3 candles to form straight below. But if you now have like a candle now lapping, then you start your count from that, the last candle that laps, 1, 2, 3. From there you count, you place your entry, and then the last candle at the top will be the top of the last candle will be your stop loss. Measure it down to your entry. The same measurement is what you now measure down to your take profit. Okay, you do the same thing for buy scenario. Okay, do the same thing for sell. For sell, these are sell scenarios where you can sell, where you have laps. Okay, now we have buy bullish scenario around here. Okay, this candle laps on it. This is the last candle that laps on the moving averages, and you have 1, 2, 3. This is your third candle. The third candle is around here. Your entry is around here. Your stop loss is below this candle, and you allow price to move. The equal length from here to here to the base of your stop loss will be the same length you measure, and then you get your take profits. Or you can manually move stop loss into profit area and trail your profit. And for indicator window 1, when the red line crosses above the 0 level, that's time to buy. We can see what's happening on the main chart. Okay, alright, you can see, as long as the red line is above 0, look for buy entries. Okay, for sell scenario, and red line cross down, look for sales entries. Okay, you can see what happened on the main chart. Sell entries. Okay, so for indicator window 2, when the awesome oscillator bar start to develop above the 0 level, look for buy entries, and they start to develop below the 0 level, look for sell entries. Okay, now for indicator window 3, it only tells you when to start to buy or sell. Start to buy or sell when the red line crosses above, when it crosses above the 25, 26 like you have around here. So as long as it continues to cross above the 35, 37 and the 45, 47, you continue to sell. Like you can see what happened, price sold. Okay, but when it now descend, like you have a descent and then it crosses the 45, 40, 45 like we have around here, now cross down on the 45, 47 level, you look for buy entries. There was a buy, like a support here. The price attempted to buy, but it failed. Okay, until you now cross down around here. cross down around here, and you continue to cross down. Then you now have a buy, like a bullish trend, reversing what has been happening all along from here. Okay, so as long as it's zero, you still action. Then when it crosses above again, you start to trade in line with what is happening. You have a bullish trend, you start to trade a buy only. So that's that for the strategy. Make sure you click the subscription button. Please subscribe to our channel. Click the subscription button so that you get to see our videos. Click the like button to like our videos. Also click the bell button below the video for notification. Then don't forget to state your comments below the video. Ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to answer your question. Alright, we have websites. Our website is www.binfxtrader.com. You can visit our second website, which is fxfables.com, to see strategies we have published on how you can trade Forex and volatility index. Till I come your way next